Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Samkok new force app crashing or not loading or not launching error on Android devices. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for some solutions, simply go through this video and find out the best solutions to fix the issue. So what you need to do first is simply restart your device once. For that, simply click on power and volume up button and then click on restart option. Once your device restarts, try to launch the game and then check if this works for you. If not, the second solution is to force close the game. So as you can see, it's running on background. So simply you need to click on this three dot icon over here and then click on cross. This will close the app or the game you are playing, and after that try to launch the game once again. If not, the next solution is to force stop the app. For that, simply go to the app section, select the app and then click on I icon over here. Now you can see force stop option. Simply click on force stop and then click on OK. This will force stop the app completely, and after that try to launch the game and then check if this solution works. If not, then the next solution is to clear storage and cache. For that, go to the app info of the game, then click on storage and cache option. Here you can see clear cache option. Simply click over here and this will clear the cache of the app. After that, try to launch the game and then check if this solution works. The next solution suggested is to check if the game has any update. So for that, go to the Google Play Store. In the search option, simply search for the game, that is Samkok New Force, and now see if any update is available here, and then click on update option and update the app to the latest version. After the game is updated, now launch the game and try to play it and see if it works. If you still face the issue, you should also check whether your phone operating system is updated or not. For that, simply go to the settings, then go down and click on system update option. Here you can see if there is any update available for your device. If there is any update, simply click on update option, and once your device operating system is updated, now launch the game and then check if this solution works for you. The next is to close all apps in the background. For that, what you need to do is simply click on the three line icon over here and then click on cross icon. This will close all the apps or anything running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check if this works. If not, the last option suggested is to uninstall the game from your Android phone and then reinstall it. So what you have to do is simply click on the game icon and then you can see delete icon over here. Simply click on it, and after that you will see the uninstall option will occur. Simply click on uninstall and then restart your device once. After you restart your device, simply go to Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for Samkok New Force and then click on install option, and after that try to play the game and then check if this solution works for you. So all these solutions are some of the best ways to fix the game that is not launching or crashing on Android devices. So that's all for now. Thank you.